Welcome back, Flare community. For those of you who don't know, Jonny Lawrence and myself, we actually created a very small collection of NFTs, and very soon there is going to be a snapshot for an actual physically signed print. Now, if we jump over to Jonny Lawrence's Twitter, we can see that the snapshot for the Component Collection is the 9th of January 2022 at 9 PM UTC. This snapshot basically means if you're holding 3 or more unique components, you can actually claim a physical signed print, signed by Jonny himself, the very talented animator. Now, Jonny and we've worked together before in the past, and you can see this video here, which is one of my favorite videos for a good reason. He actually created this introduction, and if we skip a little bit further along, he creates these incredible animations, and the NFT collection is actually based on this video. So if you're able to collect 3 or more, you're going to be able to get a physical print, and there is some more details over here on Jonny's website. So if we scroll down a little bit, we have the snapshot date. There is a claim period, so be aware of that. And yes, they have varying mintages going from 256 down to 16. And here's basically the prints that you can get. The more you collect, the larger size prints that you are eligible for. Collect all 5 to be eligible for an A1 hand-signed print. Collect 4 components for an A2 sized print. And finally, collect 3 components for an A3 sized print. Now, you may be wondering, where can you actually get these from? And of course, it is the best FTSO website. And if you go up to NFTs at the top here, come down to the tabs and click on the Flare Community tab, you will see all of these collection. Now, just these 5 here are actually part of the Component Collection, and these are what you will need if you want to be eligible for the physical signed print. Now, Jonny is actually really leading the way. He's a bit of a pioneer. You can join his Discord. I'll actually leave this in the description below, and they're actually going to be places that you can trade these physical prints. And you know, sometimes the physical artwork may actually be a lot rarer than the actual digital counterpart, because not everyone will claim their physical print. So that's always interesting to think of too. And I like to think that having the artwork accompanied by a physical print is definitely the way to go. Now, before we wrap up here, Jonny is also doing another snapshot for the Bull and Bear NFTs. It's on the same time, on the same date, and I'm sure many of you have seen these NFTs already. They look absolutely incredible, and this is just on the collaboration section here. And if we scroll down, let's have a quick look at the Bull. I mean, it's just absolutely amazing. Jonny is very talented, and we are actually working on a new video for you guys coming up in the near future. So I just wanted to give you a heads up on this snapshot happening in just a few days' time. If you are interested, as I said, you can buy the NFTs on Best FTSO. With that being said, thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.